Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we have a review of Creative's new line of in-ear and over-ear headphones. So first up, we have the Outlier Gold. Now these are a newer version of the original Outlier earbuds, which I have done a review for the channel and it will be linked in the description below, but they do have some minor changes with this newer version. You have a 14-hour battery life in the earbuds and a total of 39 hours when you factor in the charging case. You have Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 water resistance, USB-C for charging, all for under £70. Now the charging case isn't the smallest, but it is unique in how it opens and closes, and the champagne gold finish is actually quite nice. The charge case shows battery life for left and right earbuds, overall battery life, and that they're going to be charging. It's USB-C, which is nice, but there's no wireless charging, which I actually come to expect on wireless earbuds these days. Now the earbuds themselves are quite small and they fit really nicely into the ear. Now they have no sort of noise cancelling, but they do a great job of blocking out the outside noise. The earbuds feature a button, but it isn't great to use. It's not a touchpad, it's actually a physical button, which isn't nice. It basically forces you to push the earbud further into your ear just to pause the music, skip tracks, or summon your digital assistant. So as annoying as it may be, you'll actually be better off and more comfortable using the controls on your actual device, even though that will mean taking your phone in and out of your pocket to do simple things like change track and change the volume. So in terms of the overall controls and functionality, it could definitely be improved. So that does take away from the features of the earbuds, but what about the actual sound quality? Well, they're actually really good. As always, I have tried these out with a ton of music genres, video playback, and also voice-only podcast, and overall the sound quality is nice. Now, it's nothing special, but it's also not bad. The mids and highs sound good, bass is a little on the low side, but overall the vocals are actually where these earbuds shine. So, overall, not too bad, and when you take into account the battery life, fit in the ear, and overall sound, it's a nice package for under £70. I just wish that the controls on the earbuds were a little better overall. But keep in mind that you do have an application for both mobile and also desktop, which can improve the overall sound quality of both these earbuds and also the over-ear headphones, which we'll get onto in a moment. So next up then we have the Super XFi Air over-ear headphones. Now these come in at £99 and feature a 10-hour battery life, clean design, nano boom mic, and come in black and white colorways. Connection options for the Super XFi is USB-C for charging and connecting to a PC, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course you have Bluetooth 5.0. Oh, and you also have a slot for a micro SD card if that's something that you're into. Now the actual design of the headphones is nice, they kind of remind me of the Microsoft Surface headphones with a matte black and clean look. Now you have a super soft cushion for your ears, and overall for long listening sessions they are actually very comfortable. The headband is also very soft, and you have a lot of movement in the headband to fit your needs. Now they don't fold down or compact in any way for travel, and there's no carry pouch in the box, so you will just have to keep them loose. You can also customize the look further with the RGB ring on each of the ear cups, allowing you to further make them your own. The left ear cup also has a built-in touchpad, allowing for swipes to change the volume, pause the music, and skip tracks, and it's also quite responsive. Now the built-in nano boom mic is tiny and can be swapped out for a gaming mic if needed. Now the mic is good and sounds a little like this. Now it's good for video chats or voice calls, and can even be good enough for gaming without swapping it out for the optional gaming microphone, which is actually sold separately. Inside the headphones you have two 50mm drivers which deliver some great sound. Now I'll go into the Super XFi app in a moment, but even without that, these headphones deliver some great audio. Now you also have on board something called holography, which basically affects the soundstage. Now it makes the music sound like it's in the room with you, and it's very hard to explain how it sounds, but it does actually work, and it can be a little bit jarring at times, but it does sound good. Now the processor of the headphones also allows for up to 8 channels of high resolution 24-bit audio, so even if you're listening to some very uncompressed high quality music, it's going to sound pretty good. So with these headphones you have a good design, the sound is good, and the price being £99 also helps massively. But what is the Super XFi app that I've mentioned a couple of times in this video? Well, it's an application that you can use alongside the earbuds or the headphones, and it's available for both mobile and desktop, and it basically maps your ears and head shape to get the best sound quality specifically for you. Now it's a great way to get some custom sound, and it actually works. I can tell a difference to the sound once I've mapped the key areas, and this is an instance of added tech that actually works and isn't just for the feature list. So if you're looking to spend under £100 on either in-ear or over-ear headphones, I don't think that you can go wrong with either. Now for me, the in-ear headphones are a little bit more versatile and I would use them in a ton more environments, but if you're using your headphones for long periods of the day and you want something very comfortable, then the over-ear are definitely going to be the ones for you. As always, everything I've mentioned in this video is going to be linked in that description down below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in that comment section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to do so, and once you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell so you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.